The refrigerator door gasket production line with online magnetic strip inserting machine integrates automatic punching, 45-degree cutting, and online magnetic strip production, achieving online magnetic strip production for door gasket. The entire line is fully automated, requiring only one person to operate, saving labor and greatly improving production efficiency. The length range of the magnetic strip is 180 to 1800 millimeters, and the accuracy of magnetic insertion is high.